Hello and welcome to day 3. Yesterday, we declared breakthrough in our worship. Today, we are focusing on healing and restoration, inviting God's healing power to flow. For our theme today, healing and restoration, in Psalm 147:3 says, He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Healing can be physical, emotional, or spiritual. And sometimes it happens in ways that we don't expect. So as you worship today, reflect on any areas of your life that need healing. Perhaps it's a relationship, a past hurt, or even a deep-seated fear. Invite God into those places, knowing that He is able to restore and heal. Let each moment be a prayer for healing for yourself or someone else. Amen. So let's begin with our worship. If you are joining me with an instrument, grab your tool, press pause, grab your tool, and let's begin to worship. I would love for you to share in the comments how you felt after that short, brief worship session. Did God download anything into you? Did He share anything? Did He bring things to you that reminded you that you need to become healed from these things? I'll be sure to leave them in the comments. Don't miss tomorrow, which is day 4, where we will be worshiping in joy. Amen. So subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Until the next one, bye-bye.